This is a normal Tuesday morning in our house. But today, everything will go wrong.
Oh no, it is 9 o'clock already. We overslept. Oversleep means to wake up much later than you planned.
What? 9 o'clock. We need to hurry right now. Hurry means to move very fast because you do not have much time.
Where are my glasses? I cannot see anything without them. Search means to look very carefully everywhere for something you need. Oh my goodness, they were on my head the whole time. How embarrassing.
Embarrassed means feeling ashamed or silly about a small mistake you made. I must make the bed quickly right now. Make the bed means to arrange all the blankets and pillows neatly together.
Now we rush to the kitchen to make breakfast very fast.
We must not be late today. I am putting bread into the toaster. Toast means bread that has been heated until it becomes golden and crispy.
Oh no, the toast is completely burnt. Burn means to damage something badly by using too much heat on it. Oh no, I spilled the coffee everywhere. Spill means when a liquid accidentally falls out of its container. I am wiping the counter clean now. Wipe means to clean a surface by rubbing it gently with a cloth.
The smoke alarm is ringing. An alarm is a device that makes a very loud sound to warn us of danger. Let me open the window quickly. Fresh means clean and pure coming from outside the house.
I am struggling to tie my shoes today. Struggle means to try very hard to do something that is very difficult. Finally, we can sit and eat together.
Finally, dear. Now let us relax and enjoy our simple breakfast together.
Wait, look at the time. It is only 8:45. After all means, despite everything that happened to us today.
Oh, thank goodness. All that worry for nothing. Yes. Today we learned oversleep, hurry, search, embarrassed, burn, spill, wipe, struggle, finally, and after all.
Has your morning ever gone wrong like ours today? All that worry for nothing.
Subscribe to Nana English Daily for more slow English stories every few days.